welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny. Thank you so much for joining me here today on a new video. And today's video is a 5-minute makeup challenge. I know, right? Like, I feel like so bare-ass right now. Like, oh my god. I just want to jump into this video and let's see what I created. I didn't want to start the intro with me wearing makeup because I want you guys to see what I created within those 5 minutes. Now, as much as I want to start the video already and apply my makeup, I want to say the nominees that I nominated for this makeup challenge, and them babes have already done their challenge, so I hope you guys go to their channel and check them out. I have my little notes here. I have a couple of my friends here on YouTube that I nominated. So my nominees are Erika from Erika Hernandez, Marissa from Enchanted Rose Beauty. I have Sher from Sher's blog, Lottie from Pure Lottie. I have Anna from Mzdudley 13. I have Caitlin from MUA, and I have Christina from Queen Wings. Okay, they've already done some of their videos, so I am so happy. So as you can see, I don't have anything on my skin. All I have honestly is moisturizer. Like right after I wash my face, I apply my moisturizer, and I did apply this one right here. It's a Lancome. It has sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 13, and it says it's firming and dark spot correcting. So this is all I have on my face. And I'm actually, this is so like not me to not wear anything on my face. I'm either wearing my wing or like powder on my face because I have rosacea. And as you can see, like my face is a little red right now. My face isn't flared or anything like that. This is just my natural looking skin. And honestly, I really don't like it. So let's just jump into this video. So here's my phone, and here's the 5 minutes. Okay, you guys, here's the goodies that I'm gonna use today. I have it already ready here, okay? So some of the stuff that I'm gonna use. So that's the only thing I did get everything together was the things that I was gonna use. So let's start the timer, okay? Oh my god, I am so nervous. We're gonna do this live. I'm not gonna fast forward it like some of my babes did. You guys better go check them out. Go in the description box below because all their information is gonna be down there. Go see how they did. They did amazing, you guys. So see for yourselves. So let's start this off, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we go. So the first thing I usually use is my Makeup Forever powder. I have a light one and then a darker one. So I'll tell you guys the full detail after I'm done with what I possibly can within these 5 minutes. But this is what I usually do when I need to walk out the door within 5 to 10 minutes. Honestly, I'd say 10 minutes is my max that I could do like a complete look. When I need to go to the store really fast, or like with my husband, he says, I need to go to the store, you better be ready. If you're not ready, I'm gonna leave you behind. And I'm like, what? You ain't leaving me behind. I don't think so. So with the guarachazo, you know, boomerang that thing upside the head. He gives me time to get ready, and then yeah, so I'm kind of like used to doing these quick makeup looks sometimes because of my husband. So when I thought of this challenge, I was like, dude, I think I could possibly do it because my husband be putting me in this situation. Okay, so here's my face, my foundation, and now we're gonna do the eyeliner, and I'm gonna use this one right here, the Benefit, the rolling liner. Okay, I'm not gonna talk because there we go. For the wing, I have to be quiet. Because I rest my hand on my face. Oh my god, you guys, I'm sorry. Here we go. I can only make noises. Okay. Okay, I kind of have to see if they both look even. Do they look even? Okay, good enough for me. Anyways, let's do the eyebrows. And this is a Trestique, the one I got in my BoxyCharm. So let's just add a little bit of shade. I'm not gonna try to make them like super dark or anything. I'm just gonna add a little bit of shade because yeah, I'm a 90s girl, so I done abused my eyebrows that freaking time and did that chola look, the liner, the one freaking little line of brows. Okay, I should have shaved them. If you shave them, they'll grow back, but I plucked them out. So yeah, pobrecito, mi little hairs, they never grew back normally. Oh my god, you guys. I'm over here saying that I'm just gonna shade them in, and I'm already freaking making them super thickies. Do they look okay? Okay, I'd say fair enough. And then I'm gonna use this because yeah, I have to kind of brush them out. Oh my god, you guys, my hair. Okay, it looks good enough for now, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna use this one to do my blush. Let's do blush because I like to apply the blush first. So I'm gonna use both of these. Like when you're running out of time, pigmentation is key, you guys, because you just want to like boom add the stuff. You see that? Pigmentation, where you at when I need you? Because you don't want to be like applying a sheer coat little by little. You just want to go like bam. We got to go, and we only have 5 minutes. Ooh, highlight, yes. And then blend. Is it looking okay? Yeah? Okay. Oh my god, you guys, I ran out of time. Yeah, that's it. This is all I could do. Oh my god, I wasn't even able to do my mascara. What do you guys think? My eyebrows, they be looking a little weird. I don't have any mascara on, but I feel like if I were to walk out the door, I think this is good enough, because the only thing that really worries me about walking out the door is my rosacea. So as long as I have my foundation on, like a powder going on, I'm good to go. Like, and my wing, like you guys saw my wing and the brows, that's good. I mean, if I don't apply my blush or my highlight, that would be okay, but I just wanted to give it a go, and I did. I'm okay with it. What do you guys think? I mean, this is not a full looking makeup. I get it, right? Like, ugh, like, girl, did you just wake up? Yeah, right. I need coffee or something, but this is what I created, you guys, within those 5 minutes. It is impossible to create a full-blown freaking look with 5 minutes. At least 10, max 10, 15. Yeah, like it's a freaking gift, but 5 minutes, you guys, no, like it's impossible. Oh my god. And you guys, don't forget to check the description box below so you guys can go check out these babes: Erika, Marissa, Sher, Lottie, Anna, Caitlin, and Christina. You guys need to go check them out. They're amazing freaking MUA YouTubers here on YouTube. Nominated them and they took the challenge and they did it, and go check them out. It is freaking, oh my god. Now I know how they feel. This was so stressful. Oh my god. But I managed to do this. What do you guys think? A yay or a nay, or like, girl, what the hell's going on your face? I'm thinking of these brows, okay? They look like two little caterpillars. Usually I like to shape them up with my MAC concealer. I had it in here, okay? This is the stuff I was planning to use on my face to create a look, but no, I honestly ended up just using half of the stuff. So on my face, I used the Makeup Forever, the Matte Velvet Skin. And this is the Y245. I use this under my eyes to create that like bright look. And then, oh, no. The Y245 is for the all over my face. When the R210, it's a very light. Like, let me show you guys side by side the huge difference. The R is like a rosy undertone, and then the Y245 is a more of a yellowy undertone, as you guys can see. So yeah, this one under my eyes, and then this one is like my skin color. So these are the two I use. And for the blush, I've been really enjoying this palette, you guys, this Ofra, this Good to Go. The all of the highlights, I really love this because when I do some looks, if it's like a cooler tone, I'll reach for these, or if it's a warmer tone look that I'm going for, I'll use these, or like I'll use these two or these two. And I really love to pop these in my inner corner. Like seriously, this is what I would use for a quick look out the door when the hubs is like, you gotta get it together, you gotta get dressed, and I'm like, you better wait for me, give me a couple of minutes. Honestly, 10 to 15. 5 minutes is a hell no, not enough time. But I would literally pack on some mascara, like as much mascara as I can, because I don't wear falsies when I'm about to walk out the door real quick. But I do pack on some mascara, and this is a really nice mascara. This is the Big Eagle from Tarte. Really like this mascara. And for the blush, I mixed these two together, which the blush is Current, and then this one, I use these two to create this blush color, because I felt like this eyeshadow was gonna add that pigmentation, and it's like a reddish, almost like a blush looking shade, right? So yeah, I mixed it with two because this is a little light, even though it packs on a punch for blush, but I want it to be quick, like bam bam in your face, you know, to walk out the door real quick. And then the highlight, I use these two really do add that glow, as you can see. Yeah, this is a really good highlight. Like seriously, out of all of these, I love all of them, but this highlight is the one I always end up reaching for. So yeah, you guys, I really love this palette. It is amazing. And on BoxyCharm, they have this other Ofra palette that it has like a bunch of like bronzers, and it's like a contour, but it has eyeshadows as well. I want to get it, but I'm like, I have to stop buying stuff online, so I'm gonna wait maybe for, hopefully it'll still be there for a couple of months, because my husband is gonna kill me if I continue to purchase stuff online. So yeah, you guys, this is a really good palette, and I'm literally talking like if I'm running out of time. I'm sorry, you guys. So what else did I use? Oh, I used this one as well, the Trestique, this brow product. I really like it. I like the shade. It's like a cool tone brown, right? Like it blends in well with my roots. This is my natural hair color, like dark, super dark brown. It's not black, it's super dark brown, but I felt like it really adds a really nice shade to your eyebrows. Real natural. Well, they don't look natural right now, but like natural, right? A natural shade. And then I have to set it with my Benefit, the 24-hour brow setter. This little guy, it's a must for me. I really cannot just apply my eyebrow pencil or powder or any cream. Here, let me fix them up a little bit, because they don't look todos paraditos like I like them, all standing up like I like them. So let's put them all in salute, shall we? Yeah, that's much better. Even though, yeah, the shading isn't all that great. The shape of them isn't that great either. Usually I like to make that little V here more here instead of more out, because you have to shape your brows. Your brow shape will frame your face, so you have to be very careful. Anywho, the eyeliner. This eyeliner is amazing. This is the benefit. This is the roller line eyeliner. This little thing is amazing. It's a really, really good eyeliner. It's waterproof. It definitely does last. If you have watery eyes, it will kind of fade out in the corners, but that's like at the end of the night. Like almost like if you're really rubbing on your eyes, it will come off. And this washes off very well. Like I usually like to use my Wet n Wild, my H2O proof eyeliner. That one, oh my god, you really have to use an oil base or something, cleansing balm to remove that sucker off. But this guy, it actually balls off. Like it turns like a thick when you wash it, but it's easy to remove. So this one, definitely, if you don't want to buy the extra face washes, this guy is a recommendation. I really love this guy. And what else did I use, you guys? I really didn't use that many products on my face. Yeah, I think that's it. I just ended up using these. Una, dos, tres. You guys, I really just ended up using these things. This palette, the powder foundation, the brow setter, the brow freaking pencil, and my eyeliner. This is all I could use within those 5 minutes, and that is insane. But you guys, I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to check out my beauty babes in the description box below. Oh, before I forget, and before I leave, I want to thank my subscribers, you guys. Thank you guys so much for coming over, checking out my channel, and subscribing. I am so grateful. My channel is growing, and I can only do it with you guys, and I am truly, truly grateful that you guys are subscribing. Thank you so much. Okay, I'll let you guys be now. Love you guys. Bye.